My name is Max Tucker. I'm a mechanical engineer and I oversee the CNC department here. This is KWM Gutterman Incorporated. We manufacture seamless gutter machines where 90% of the things we do is manufactured here in-house. Before the Exomist, our biggest complaint was as we were producing more and more parts, we were creating a lot of mist, and with open door times, we were seeing a lot of that mist transfer into the facility. Our decision to use Exomist came from trusting in our sales rep, and using Exomist, it was straightforward, plug and play. Everything was easy to work with, and working with Morris has been very good. Most of the implementation has always been done from the right side of the machine using an exhaust port. We had to find a workaround that would still remove the mist from inside the machine, but not utilizing the right side of the machine. We had to essentially cut a hole in our machine to run a 6-inch exhaust piping through the left side above the tool change station and then vent out the left side of the machine. Once we installed our Exomist, the air quality greatly improves almost instantaneously. We would definitely recommend Exomist to others in the same industry as us or other industries anywhere in manufacturing. We love it so far.